Easily track your organization's assets and equipment all in one place. Tajine's asset management app, customized for IBM TRIRIGA, is your solution to turn slow and inefficient pen and paper methods into quick and simple processes to manage your assets all in one mobile-friendly app. As a technician on site, once I have received a work task or ticket submitted by an employee to service an asset or equipment problem, I can use the asset management app to do the following: access all assets that are currently recorded in the system, sort my assets based on standard asset fields, for example, the asset name, the description, or the spec ID. I can search a specific asset using the Search Asset functionality. Once located, I can open the page to view all asset details. If I am located next to the asset or equipment, I can also use the barcode scanner functionality to scan the QR code or barcode that is on the asset for the app to automatically open the asset detail page. This page can be customized according to the organization's needs to include any information on the asset that will be pulled from TRIRIGA. I can also edit the asset fields upon my assessment of the asset or equipment. If I would like a copy of the edited asset details page, I can go back to the dashboard to export the asset details to a CSV file by selecting the asset and then clicking Export. The asset management app helps simplify the complexity of TRIRIGA. However, if I would like to go back to the TRIRIGA system, I can click Classic TRIRIGA. Using the asset management app will streamline the way technicians access important information for assets and equipment and ensure tasks are being resolved efficiently.